Welcome everyone to New York Film Academy, also known as NYFA. This film, media, and performing arts college that was created by industry professionals has been named a top film school by The Wrap, The Hollywood Reporter, and Variety, as well as one of the top 50 schools for game design by the Princeton Review, and a top 40 private college for animation by the Animation Career Review. NYFA offers hands-on, intensive undergraduate and graduate degree programs, certificates, and workshops. In addition to filmmaking, acting for film, and all the related film arts, NYFA also offers programs in photography, broadcast journalism, musical theater, game design, and 3D animation. Students can study at campuses in New York City, Los Angeles, Miami, and abroad in Australia and Italy. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next half hour, we'll hear from students on what led them to NYFA, their experiences, and about the school's famous alumni who've learned from the legendary professionals in the entertainment industry. Welcome to NYFA. This is the College Tour.